so delicious. It's a must try. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a blueberry Asian pear smoothie, okay, or shake, smoothie shake, okay guys. So before I go into this video, remember to like, share and comment on my video. Thank you for your comments, thank you for your feedback. I appreciate you. For the most loyal subscribers who always commenting, thank you so much at Ben Lifestyle. Thank you for your support. So remember to follow me on all social and booth, okay? Thank you guys. So let's dive right into this blueberry Asian apple smoothie, Asian pear smoothie slash shake. Alright, so guys, I didn't realize that the video wasn't running, so I went ahead and cut up the pear. See? Yeah, I'm gonna add some of the blueberry. And you know, when blueberry is added to anything, it's gonna take the entire color. You know when blueberry is added, it's gonna take the entire color, so you're gonna see a purple smoothie shake. Alright, so as I said before, to preserve the life of your ingredients, shake, fruits, whatever, yogurt, you can freeze them. Alright, and this is what I do. See? Nice. I'm gonna add the milk now. Roughly a cup. Yeah. So might as well just empty that. I'm gonna add the ice now, and then I'm gonna cover and then put these aside. Okay. And that is it guys, all done. See the color? The blueberry, there you have it guys. I'm gonna blast this for you now. As I said, it's smoothie slash shake. Guys, it tastes like ice cream. Why it tastes so much like ice cream? I didn't put in any sweetness. Tastes so much like ice cream. I didn't put any sweetness in it. I only put the apple, the blueberry, the yogurt, the milk. Wow. So nice. So go ahead and try this blueberry Asian apple smoothie / shake. You will love it. The family will love it. The entire family will want to taste this smoothie. Okay guys, so delicious. So remember to like, share and comment on my video. Thank you so much for watching. Until my next video, bye.